Green smoothies have become so popular lately. After making them for nearly a decade, I can certainly vouch for the reasons behind their popularity. While it hasn't always been easy to get my kids to eat other healthy meals, the same can't be said for green smoothies. Besides tasting amazing, they come with the added bonus of packing some equally amazing health benefits. Taking the time to make green smoothies part of your lifestyle is a brilliant investment of your time. Here's just a few reasons why. 15 reasons to drink healthy green smoothies. 1. Fast and simple. Blending simple fruits and green vegetables into a smoothie is quick and super easy. Drink it at home or on the go, it's fast food at its finest. 2. Get your daily dose. Many people struggle to get the daily recommendations of fruit and vegetables into their diets. It's even more difficult to get some children to eat enough fruit and veg. By blending a couple servings of fruit and veg each day, you'll easily meet your requirements. 3. Your kids will drink their greens. Instead of going to war with your kids over eating their spinach, put a handful of the green stuff in their fruit smoothies and watch that liquid gold go down smoother than a chocolate milkshake. 4. Better digestion. There's nothing worse than experiencing indigestion or constipation. Over 70% of all disease begins in the digestion system, so give it what it loves: healthy and easily digestible food. The better your digestion works, the better you will feel and live. 5. Much easier to lose weight. Forget all those celebrity shakes and other meal replacement solutions. Fill your body with nutrient-dense real food, because that's exactly what it needs. I guarantee you that once you quit dieting for good and focus on real food, your weight issue will disappear for good. 6. Natural beauty. All those vitamins and mineral being poured into your body will give you gorgeous, radiant skin, hair and nails. See eczema and rosacea radically improve. Think skin brighter than fairy lights at the beach. 7. Brain power. The more green smoothies you add to your diet, the more vital nutrients you'll be absorbing in order to protect your brain health. You can kiss goodbye to brain fog and say hello to improved focus, memory function and clarity. 8. Better sleep. So many people complain of insomnia, but by adding a daily green smoothie to your life, you can almost guarantee yourself a more rested night's sleep. 9. Taste. The good stuff doesn't have to taste gross. Healthy food tastes delicious once you learn to make the perfect smoothie. 10. Detox. Blending dark greens with sweet fruit is a powerful way to detox. Give your digestion a well-earned rest by adding kale, spinach, and other super greens to your diet. 11. Stronger immune system. Getting sick when you have responsibilities such as a career and/or a family to take care of is a major inconvenience. Adding more green smoothies to your family's diet will have really positive impact on their immune system, as well as your own. 12. Banish sugar cravings. The combination of sweet fruit and the minerals contained in green vegetables is perfect for reducing unhealthy cravings. How great will it feel when you finally stop being a slave to processed sugar and fat? 13. Increased energy. Replacing some of your unhealthy habits with a daily green smoothie will dramatically improve your energy. 14. Variety. The amount of fruit, vegetables, herbs, spices, and superfoods available to make delicious green smoothies is almost unlimited. 15. The happiness factor. Green smoothies equals happiness. You'll all the benefits of mood food, calmness and happy hormone health awaits you.